Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Great Southern Bank's account's credit card. In order to cancel your Great Southern Bank credit card, all you need to do is to open up a web browser and then type in greatsouthernbank.com.au and search. This will then take you to the official website, from where you can simply click on the Help and Contact tab and call on the number displayed in the pop-up. Make a phone call to the number and then mention to the customer service representative that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Follow through the instruction as provided from the customer service representative and be sure to provide any documentation that verifies your identity. Make sure to pay off your entire credit card balance before you can close your account. If your credit card has a reward program, make sure to redeem it as well. After you do that, you will then be able to cancel your credit card. Another way you can cancel your credit card is by visiting the nearest branch of Great Southern Bank and then speak to a customer service representative about the credit card cancellation. So those were some of the methods you can use in order to cancel your credit card for Great Southern Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.